Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of Vagaro. If you're a business owner, particularly in the beauty or wellness industry, you might have heard of this software. But if you're new to Vagaro, you might be wondering, how do I start using it? Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to talk about why Vagaro is such a valuable tool for businesses. Think of it as your all-in-one business management solution. It helps you book appointments, manage your clients' information, process payments, and even market your business. It's like having a virtual assistant that handles all the administrative tasks, freeing you up to focus on what you do best, providing exceptional service to your clients. Now that we've got the why out of the way, let's get to the how to start using Vagaro. Sign up for a free trial. The first step is to create a free account on Vagaro's website. This will give you access to all of the features for a 14-day trial period. Set up your business profile. Once you've created your account, you'll need to set up your business profile. This includes information like your business name, address, phone number, and website. Add your services. Next, you'll need to add your services. This includes the name of the service, the duration of the service, and the price. Create your staff. If you have employees, you can create profiles for them as well. This will allow them to book appointments and manage their own schedule. Start booking appointments. Now that you've set up your profile and services, you can start booking appointments. You can do this either online or through the Vagaro app. Use the other features. Vagaro offers a variety of other features that can help you manage your business. These include marketing tools, send email campaigns, create online coupons, and track your marketing results. Client management. Keep track of your clients' information, including their appointment history, contact information, and preferences. Financial management. Track your income and expenses and generate reports. Get training. If you're new to Vagaro, there are a number of resources available to help you get started. These include Vagaro University. This online training platform offers a variety of courses on how to use Vagaro. Vagaro support. If you have any questions, you can contact Vagaro's support team. That's it. Once you've followed these steps, you'll be on your way to using Vagaro to manage your business. Additional tips. Take advantage of the Vagaro community. There are a number of online communities where you can connect with other Vagaro users and get tips and support. Attend Vagaro events. Vagaro hosts a number of events throughout the year, including webinars and workshops. These are a great way to learn more about Vagaro and network with other users. Use Vagaro's templates. Vagaro offers a number of templates that you can use to create your own marketing materials. Vagaro is a powerful tool that can help you manage your business more efficiently. If you're looking for a way to streamline your operations and grow your business, I highly recommend giving it a try. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials on how to grow your business.